Today, we're going to explore a fascinating yoga technique and a secret on how to transform stress, anxiety, and inflammation into a space of calm, relaxation, and healing relief. Now, this is a wonderful tool that you can use for yourself or your students and clients, and it only takes a few minutes. Welcome, friends. My name is Jay. I'm a yoga therapist and Ayurvedic practitioner who's helped hundreds on their health and healing journey through coaching sessions, courses, and wellness retreats around the world. Paramhansa Yogananda, one of the great yoga masters, often spoke about the mouth of God, the entry point where Prana, this cosmic life force energy, flows into the body, sustaining and healing the body and mind. And through practices like Kriya Yoga and Pranayama Breathwork, Yogananda taught that we can consciously draw this life force through the medulla and the vagus nerve, not only to calm and heal ourselves of certain ailments, but also to awaken higher states of awareness and consciousness. Now, what's interesting is that modern science shows us something fascinating. The medulla oblongata, deep at the base of the brain, is where the vagus nerve begins. And this nerve is like the master switch of your parasympathetic nervous system, the system that calms your heart, deepens your breath, and supports digestion and health, and also restores balance to the whole body. Now, one of the greatest yoga kriyas or pranayama breathing exercises to stimulate the vagus nerve and recharge your mind, your body with vigor, vitality, and healing energy is by practicing the humming bee breath. The gentle vibration you create with this breath is one of the most direct ways to rejuvenate your whole nervous system. It helps to quiet the mind, release tensions, and can leave you feeling both calm and mentally energized. So I'm going to take you through the steps of the humming bee breath now. Start by finding a comfortable seat and sit, keeping your head, neck, and trunk in one line and your back nice and straight. And for this practice, you can gently close your eyes, and we're going to use our hands to quiet the external senses. And we'll do that by simply using the index fingers to slightly or lightly plug your ears. And then you're going to take a deep breath. So take a nice, deep, slow inhale through the nose. And as you exhale, you want to keep your lips lightly sealed and begin to make a low to medium-pitched humming sound, like the buzzing of a bee. And you want to try to make this exhale as long and as smooth as possible. Let me demonstrate. Take a nice deep inhalation. So as you hum, focus on the sensation of the vibration in your head, in your throat, and your chest. This vibration is what provides that wonderful toning effect for the vagus nerve. Let's do 3 rounds together now. Sit nice and tall. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Beautiful. So even just a few minutes of this humming bee breath can help to lower stress, calm your mind, sharpen focus, and give you that steady, sustainable energy. What Yogananda taught in spiritual terms is that the medulla and the vagus nerve is this portal of life energy. And it's beautifully supported by science today, showing us how the vagus nerve helps us rest, heal, and recharge. And here's the beautiful part. When we practice yogic techniques like Bhramari Pranayama, these vibrations stimulate the vagus nerve, which then sends calming signals back to the medulla and the brain centers. The brain then relays this soothing energy through our entire system, slowing the heart, relaxing the body, and replenishing our energy. If you enjoyed this video and practice, give it a like and let me know in the comments below. Did you feel a shift after doing this? Peace and namaste.